So I start with my mother's name is Mrs. Elizabeth De Silva. She suffered her first attack, mild attack in 1991. We got an angiography done in Hinduja Hospital at Mumbai. Thereafter, the second attack, mild attack in 1996. The third attack, which kept our breath away, was on 26 August 2003 when she had a massive attack. She was in ICCU for 15 days. The doctors had almost given up hopes. We had also called the priest to administer the last sacrament. We had already spent 1,02,000 in 15 days with no hope of her surviving. We also had to shift her to another hospital where there was better equipment. In the meantime, I thought of asking TNC what supplement they had to save my mother. Because the doctors, the cardiologists only said, only a bypass can be tried on her. But then I asked the doctors, how much guarantee is there for survival? They said no guarantee. Then I told the doctors, with due respect to you and your team, I do not want my mother to be experimented upon. So I asked them, what about using this product on my mother? So they bluntly told me, don't waste money on these things. It's just like we do not stop you from giving her coconut water. But I knew the benefits of resveratrol. Therefore, I thought it's a win-win situation if I try and it helps her, because they had already given up hopes. So I tried on the night of 8th September 2003, while she was in ICCU, because I was personally taking care of her, without the knowledge and consent of the doctors. I started giving her 3 times a day energy supplement, and believe it or not, in 3 days' time she was looking much more better. She was so feeble before. We shifted her to the room. In 20 days we finished 1 bottle. She started feeling better. She asked for another bottle. So in 40 days we finished 2 bottles. On the day of October 18th, 2003, we brought her home. We got another angiography done. It was amazing because the full family were against me when I stopped the operation. The scanning showed only 30% of blockage. I am sentimentally attached to TNC because this saved my mother. Thereafter, she has celebrated 2 birthdays. Her birthday is on 4th January 2004-2005. She celebrated 2 birthdays when she had never even thought she'll come back home alive. More amazing is this, that on her birthday, we being a big family, she cooked 8 dishes for a family of 30.
Oh, great.
People say, Rosina, you're very lucky, your NNHC team is doing well, maybe half of Gujarat is under you, you're doing so well, you're growing so well. But I know what brought me to TNC. It's a product, and I felt sharing this business is not just business, it's a business, it's a social.
I am B.T. Basu. Full name is Bhabatosh Basu. Aged 92 years. I was suffering from acute asthma. I was hospitalized for a long time. and swallowed tons of allopathic medicines, but could not get any relief. On the contrary, I could not sleep, I could not eat anything because loss of appetite and no taste I was getting. And then I used some homeopathy. No good result. Then my son took me to Dr. Nilofer Abbasi through Mr. Joshi. And after using for few weeks their food supplement and some appliances, I started getting wonderful result, which hardly I can express in a language. Now, it is more than few months I am continuing their medicines and appliances. The result is wonderful.